There are so many variants of this Honda HRX217. Just a quick video showing you guys how to make sure that you find the right owner's manual and therefore procedures and parts to repair this mower. In order to make sure that we have the right owner's manual for our mower, what we need to find out is the type or the variant of the mower, along with the serial number, and that's on the tag on the back left side on top of the motor deck. Basically right here, as you can see, the type is the HZA for my mower, and my serial number is MAGA 2374535. So with that, we'll navigate to the Honda Owner's Manuals page. I'll put a link down in the description below. Here's Honda's HRX Lawnmower Owner's Manuals page. Mine is the HRX217 type HZA, so we'll scroll down to find that. And we'll find the serial number range that matches my serial number. Looks like mine is the third one from the top, so we'll open that. The tables of content is going to help us find what page we need to go to find the information we need. The customer information is where I'll show you, which basically has all the parts that you typically would need to repair the mower. Here it is. Anything from spark plug to air filter to blades to wheels and tire and bolt, grass bags and so forth. So yeah, this is very handy to make sure that you have the right part for your specific mower by serial number. Hopefully this information is helpful to you. If it is, just give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And good luck on repairing your mower.